everyone. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, you are welcome and God bless you. So today, I'm preparing a ham sandwich, but I'm holding the mayo and mustard. We're having it with French vanilla iced coffee. Let's do it. Switch your sandwich up today like me. Just hold the mayo and mustard. Try it with sour cream. God bless you. Continue watching. Still looks pretty good to me without mustard and mayo. Look at that. Now let's make one of my favorites, iced coffee. This is lunch today, ham sandwich with iced coffee. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. And if you just subscribed, welcome to the family. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.